Coming. This is Tijuana. Coming.
Welcome to photo tour number 4. We're here on Friday on the Riverwalk in La Cuisa, which is a place here beautiful in Puerto Vallarta. We're getting ready to take some pictures, and you know what? Actually, I'm wrong. They're already taking pictures right there. So this is photo tour number 4. Let's check it out. This is the Ujena Jam Puerto Vallarta 2011.
Okay, there we go. That part I don't see. I'll see what it looks like.
About to make Casey climb over the tree and shoot over there. That's the next position.
Alright.
Okay. Yeah, baby. Chin down, you know. Yeah, like that. Wait. Don't move a bit. Yep. Chin down, baby. There. Okay. Wait. Look over here on my count. Again. 1. Close your eyes. 1, 2, hit it. Yep. This is the fun we have in the genus, huh? Ready? Okay. Move to the other. Yeah. Chin down. There. Kind of up.
So yeah, we just got scouting locations. Karen's is changing. Right now we're just walking up the Riverwalk in Puerto Vallarta, looking for some great locations.
What are you looking for here? What?
Well, you know, the colors, the feel of being here in Puerto Vallarta. That's what we're looking for. Something that is going to work. I'm shooting with a long lens, and it's 100 to 400, so it gives a lot of options. But what I'm looking for is to find the spot that gives me the color, bring that together, and then putting Karen, who's just a fantastic model. We've been working with her for over 20 years now. And to find a spot where it all comes together, and then basically shooting this with a long lens, so I can also, well actually with a zoom long lens, so I can have the combination of having the background slightly blurred out or more detail. And so there's a lot of options here, and we're just walking right up here, and as soon as we get a location, we're going to go pop.
I mean, it's so I get inspired by coming back here and seeing all these beautiful ladies doing this and keeping up with them. So I mean, I inspire myself.
All right.
Hey, I just want to wrap up the photo tour from today. It was unbelievable. We had a lot of fun right here down at Oscars. We had plenty of places to shoot, lots of models and photographers. It's been a great event so far, and we wrapped up the session, and now we're going to go on to our next move, to the group dinner tonight. Thank you so much for coming out.
Thank you, Gina.
Gina.